Hello everyone, today we solve these type of problems. A into A into A into A divided A plus A plus A plus A is equal to 16. Then find the value of A. Yes, let's check solution. A into A into A into A divided A plus A plus A plus A is equal to 16. A is multiplied into how many times? 4 times. Then it is A to the power 4. Divided A is added also 4 times. Then it is 4A is equal to 16. Yes, we know in the exponent A to the power m divided A to the power n is equal to A to the power m minus n. Yes, we apply here. Then 1 by 4 into A to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 16. Yes, this implies that 1 by 4 into A to the power 3 is equal to 16. Then 1 by 4 is multiplied into here. Then AQ is equal to 16 into 4. Then AQ is equal to what? 64. AQ minus 64 is equal to 0. Then here AQ minus it is 4Q is equal to 0. Then we apply AQ minus BQ. What is that formula? AQ minus BQ? A minus B into A square minus AB plus B square. We apply here. A minus 4 into A square minus 4A plus 4 square is equal to 0. Then A minus 4 is equal to 0. Then the value of A is, you got it, it is 4. First value. Then A square minus 4A plus 16 is equal to 0. We apply the algebraic rule. Minus B plus minus root over of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A is equal to minus B, it is minus of minus 4 plus minus minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 16 divided by 2 into 1. Yes. Then it is what? Minus of minus 4, it is plus 4 plus minus root over of minus 4 square, it is 16 minus 16 into 4, it is 64 divided by 2. Yes. Then A is equal to 4 plus minus root over of 16 minus 64, it is what? Minus 14 minus 6 is 8. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. 48 divided by 2. Then A is equal to 4 plus minus root over of here 16 into 3 into minus 1. Yes, 16 into 3 it is 48, then minus 1 divided by 2. Then A is equal to 4 plus minus 16 root over of 16 it is 4. Then root 3 I divided by 2. Then A is equal to here 2 is divided into 4, 2 is divided into 4 also. Then 2 plus minus 2 root 3I. Yes. Then we got the value of A. First one is equal to 4, A1. Then in A2 is equal to 2 plus 2 root 3I. Then another one A3 is equal to 2 minus 2 root 3I. We got the 3 values. These 2 are the imaginary value, this one the real value. Okay. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel to see this type of video. Thank you.